Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto with your debit card or PayPal. So let's get straight into it. First, I will show you how you can buy with debit card. So let's go. Okay, so I will click here buy, then go, let's say I want to buy a Bitcoin. Now I will click here buy with, so I will click like that. Then add payment method, and right here, as you can see, we have three options: crypto, debit or credit card, and PayPal. So if I click here debit or credit card, you will basically need to put in some details about your card, and that's basically it what you will gonna do. Then you will just select the amount, and that's it. With this method, you will add a card to the crypto.com. Now, if you do that with PayPal, it's the same. Just that you will open up the PayPal app, and then you will continue to authorize access to crypto.com. So this is how you can buy a crypto with debit card or PayPal. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.